What does 1.3 million get you in Winter Garden? Let me show you. Welcome back. I am Aida with RE/MAX, and today I am taking you inside this stunning Roseland model, a luxury new construction home in Winter Garden, Florida. This home offers between 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 6 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and over 4,200 square feet of living space, up to 4,674 square feet. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice the open layout, natural light, and the seamless flow between the living, dining room, and kitchen area. Perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen truly becomes the heart of the home, designed for connection and functionality. This home also offers incredible flexibility with flex room that can be used as a home office, craft room, or anything that fits your lifestyle, plus a spacious game room that can easily be converted into an additional bedroom. Now let's talk about the owner's suite, because this is where luxury meets comfort. It's more than just a bedroom. It's a private retreat with a space for a sitting area where you can relax and unwind. The bathroom features dual vanities, generous space, and a large walk-in closet. Located in a private gated community, you're just minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment, including Winter Garden Village and the historic downtown in Winter Garden. This floor plan is currently starting from around the 1.3 million range, depending on upgrades and lot selection, making this an incredible opportunity in one of Central Florida's more desirable areas. My name is Aida with RE/MAX, and I specialize in helping buyers and sellers in Central Florida. If you would like more information or a private tour, send me a message or click the link below. If you would like more information or a private tour, send me a message with the word Roseland. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone looking for their dream home. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.